Welcome to Take a Lipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload images to Roblox. Now, it is very simple. To do this, what you have to do is just open up any of your browser and make sure you're at roblox.com and make sure you're signed in. And after that, from here, just click on Create. Then just wait for it to load and make sure to click on Creations from here. Then from here, you just need to click on Development Items. From here, click on Decals. From here, click on Upload Asset. Then from here, you can upload your asset. Just select whatever image you want. Just give it a name, also a description, and just click on Upload. Then just give it some time, it will be uploaded. There you go. You can refresh to see the preview of it. There you go. Then just go to roblox.com again. From here, on the left-hand hamburger menu, just click on it and click on Inventory. Then from the categories, just go to Decals. Then you'll see your decals over here. Just click on it. And you can see the link over here. It's an asset now. You can use it in your game and stuff. And basically that is how to upload images to Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.